Here I purchased 3 balloon party stands from Wish. Let's go ahead and unpack them and set them up. So here we have the bottom of the balloon stand. These are the balloon tie holders that hold the balloons up. And these are the straw-like tubes that are different lengths. Some are shorter and some are longer. And with these tubes, you just want to insert them onto the pegs that is on the bottom stand. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put on the balloon tie holders. So now that we have that together, let's go ahead and blow up a couple balloons. Here I have a heart-shaped balloon and I'm using a balloon pump. There's our balloon all pumped up, and now time to tie. So as you see, I'm using a balloon tire, which I purchased from Wish as well. It helps tie your balloons without hurting your fingers, and as you can see, it ties a knot quite well and tight. So you just want to weave your balloon around the slots on the plastic balloon holder just to hold your balloon up and in place. And then just repeat blowing up more balloons until your balloon display is full. Yeah, if you're wondering why I'm using just random color balloons, that's just because that's all I have on hand. So as you can see, there's a center pole right there. If you want to extend it any higher, they have these little pegs that you can extend your pole higher. There you go. You got your balloons. It's a great way to hold up your balloons without using helium. Again, here's what that balloon tire looks like. So in this first little clip, you can see the balloons are shorter, and in the second clip here, you have an option to make them taller. So these balloon holders will come in very handy for different events. If you'd like to purchase, you can buy them at Wish. Remember to like and subscribe, and check out my other videos on DWU, the Queen of Random. Thanks for watching!